Karen Nyamu nĩaremetwo kũhitha gĩkeno gĩake na ũũ nĩ thutha wake kwĩgwatĩra ũhotani mũnene mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Kĩama kĩrĩa akoretwo arũgamĩtwo nakĩo kĩama kĩa UDA na no kĩo kĩama kĩrĩa ahũranagĩra nakĩo gĩturwa kĩa ũseneta kaunti ya Nairobi. Rĩu kĩama gĩkĩ nĩ gĩcokete gĩkamũtuga na njĩra ya mwanya mũno. If you recall, Karen Nyamu she stepped down from the senatorial race ya kaunti ya Nairobi, na nĩ ũndũ ũrĩa watigire andũ na ciũria nyingĩ mũno. No rĩu Karen Nyamu is among women members who have been nominated to the Senate. Na Karen Nyamu nĩ aiyũkia ũhotani ũyũ na gĩkeno kĩnene mũno. She has taken to her social media pages to celebrate the big win. Noho arata ake gũkenanĩra nake makĩmũ-congratulate, and she has even shared some of the congratulatory messages that she has received and continues to receive from her friends and fans and followers. Prince Arakaki akiuga loyalty needs to be rewarded, and yes, congratulations to the new nominated Senator Karenzo Nyamu, to God be the glory. Nake Mfalme 254 akauga congratulations mrembo wa kazi at Karen Nyamu, Madam Wakili, sasa ni kazi, happy for you. Onake Grace Mohoro akauga congratulations. Bakita Bax akauga it is difficult to put into words how proud I am. Congratulations Senator Karenzo Nyamu. Ona Wanjiru Wachege onake, she has also been nominated to Senate o hamwe na Karen Nyamu nĩ kĩama kĩa UDA. A big congratulations to them. Nake Muthee Kiengei nĩ aitirũrĩte ngoro na njĩra ya kuohera arĩa makorirwo magĩka photoshop mbica ya baba wao na kũmĩtua ya Raila hĩndĩ ĩno ya campaigns, akiuga campaigns are over. The pain that did rounds through this photoshop will never happen to anyone who is reading this. From where I sit, I chose to forgive and forget. Please forgive everyone who hurt your feelings in the campaign season, and congratulate whoever won and whoever lost while trying. My late dad, don't judge anyone harshly. Whoever edited it, Dad was working to place a meal on their table. They used it to laugh and put across their interests. Continue resting well, Dad. Muthee Kiengei nĩaugĩte nĩamoheire mũndũ ũrĩa wakorirwo agĩka photoshop mbica ĩno ya baba wao na kũmĩtua ya Raila. He has chosen to forgive them and leave that in the past. Campaigns are now over. He has chosen to leave it in the past. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and best Kikuyu celebrity news.